Naye, if she want to if it's over, you want to throw me, you must throw me. You must throw me, because all the white girlfriend in Pokchong, I have two girlfriends in Yabo. One is white, one is black. And the black one have no problem, because I'm making love to the black one 2020, and making love, and no problem. The uncle of the girlfriend, know me. The mother of the girlfriend, know me. It's no problem. This white one said to me that when you don't wanting to meeting my parents meet up. I said, if you don't want to listen to me, throw me. If you don't want to listen to me, throw me, because you white, you want to go make them meet up with your parents, and the parents say to me, what you do for living? And I said, I work. You eat the money. Why you want to make the meetup? If you don't want to meet up, if you don't want me to make the meetup, if you want to throw me, throw me. And now I don't care, Brandon.